Right, update here on just Tesla for now. That's pretty much all I'm trading again. Um, let's just go over the chart. And if this dips though during the video, you probably won't see this video. Comes down here, I'm probably going to sell my puts because we got a corrective move right here. So basically, we finished wave one, obviously. You can see it right here. And you can see the 5 waves on I think the 30-minute might be the best. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then right here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a 5-wave move. And then we got a nice move from the bottom, very explosive move from the bottom, which could be mistaken for an impulse move. However, if you look at it more closely, it looks to me like it is a ABC move. We didn't get a retracement to the 50% retracement, and we basically came to the 1.61 fib. We didn't quite get there. Maybe it's going to go there right now. 236.86. We didn't get there. And now we're just having a little bit of chop right here. I think this A wave is probably finished, but again, these corrective moves could take a while, and they're kind of hard to read sometimes. I'm trading them a little bit, but I'm just kind of watching the general direction and making sure that I'm in the right spot for the next big move. And I think that this is probably, well, right here is definitely going to play out like this. Get something like that because you have this as a corrective move. We should be getting something like that. And then come back down here to like 233. So right now it's just kind of a corrective move. This means that this is probably a B wave though. So this is probably the A wave right here. And this took, let's see, hour and 40 minutes. So you're looking at something around the next 30 minutes or so, minimum for this to end. So you're probably going to get a C wave here. You can break it down here too. You can say this took 20 minutes, and this is taking a lot longer. And then you can see that's a B wave because it's taking a lot longer. And so here's a trap right here. Bulls are probably thinking we're going to get a new high. People don't know what I'm talking about. And then this will end up being a C wave, and then we'll get a big move down. So looking for that to correct to at least 233.50. But if this goes all the way to the top, we might just get a normal flat. We might just get like that. We've only retraced to the 0.23 fib. I'd probably want to see something to the 0.38 fib, but maybe not. That's at 232.50. So if we don't do that, let's just say we come down here and make a normal flat like that, then you're looking at something, you're probably looking at something up here to fill this gap. So that makes a lot of sense. Let's look at the 1.61 fib. So I think it's going to come down a little bit lower. You can see that this is a little bit longer than this. So probably going to come down maybe $1 more than the bottom here. So you're probably looking at something around 233.20, I would say. However, this is probably it, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this might be it. So we might just get A, B, and then a C wave down. Something like that. And then maybe get 5 waves like that. And then that would be the overall B wave or the overall second wave. So there you go. I went ahead and drew it all out. And then I'd be looking for either this, or you're looking at third wave down. So probably going to get a move down, and then maybe on Monday we go up here to fill the gap at 242. I don't think we're going to do that today. I would imagine that we come back down here into the end of the day to 233, and then we make our move up here to 242 probably next week, early in the week. So that's an opportunity right there to sell some puts. It is risky in case I'm wrong though, and it ends up being a second wave. So do that at your own risk. It'd probably be better just to buy shares down here and then ride it up early next week. Again, it is risky though because we have retraced the 0.5 fib from the first or B wave or A wave. So it is risky because this could be the second wave end. However, it looks like a corrective move to me, so I think we're probably going to get this gap fill at 242. So that's pretty much all that really matters right now, is just what's going on in this wave. From there, again, probably get a C wave down here to, we went all the way up to 248, did we? So if we go up here to like 243, 244, we're probably looking at something down here around like 222, probably in this area right here actually. Fill the gap. We didn't quite fill the gap today. We're probably going to get a gap fill, and then that's going to end up being either ABC or third wave's going to go way lower, obviously. So that's pretty much it. Not much more trading to do today. I made some money on this move that I talked about in the video yesterday, and then I traded some calls up here, and then I went to make some breakfast and missed this move right here. And then this move right here, a little bit on puts, but kind of just waiting. So anyway, that's the breakdown of what I expect probably over the next couple of days. And then you're probably looking at something, like mid next week. We're down here at 220 minimum, and if it's a third wave, obviously lower. I'm kind of leaning towards ABC move though, because they have the Cybertrucks coming out on the 30th. So, all right, that's it for now. It's a quick update. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe if you like the content, and I'll try to give an update later. Have a good one.